Welcome to this new TIA Connect tutorial. We are going to look at the knowledge base page on TIA Connect. To access the knowledge base page, please expand the resources menu and click on knowledge base. We are now on the Siemens knowledge base page, where we can find technical documentation from the Siemens catalog. On this page, there is a search bar allowing you to search for a reference or device name in the Siemens catalog. Click on the desired product. A window opens. Here you find the details of the selected device, its classification, its technical characteristics, its available firmware versions, and use cases for this type of device. You have the option to maximize the page to better visualize the knowledge base. On each line of the table, there are 4 links on the right allowing you to perform a search. Google, Rexel, Wiautomation, and finally, a search on the Siemens SiePortal. You can display the view as a list or thumbnails. You have several category buttons to search only for desired device types, such as HMI, CPU, or drive.